Hey you guys, happy Tuesday. It was so funny. I was gonna do a live stream from my bed, which is right there, in my hotel room, but I propped my phone up on this windowsill, which you guys need to see this hotel. It is absolutely insane. Oh, I guess the windowsill was in the way. But yeah, I have my question right here of the day, which is where to start growing on social media, and my coffee, and then I'm gonna put my phone right here. So I'll be hands-free today, which is a first, and I kind of love it because you guys saw me struggling yesterday. My arm was getting tired holding a 1-pound phone over my head, which is kind of embarrassing because I do CrossFit. So I thought I was strong, but I guess not. Okay, so I just wanted to hop on live now quick before today gets crazy. So I'm in Nashville for a conference, and it was so funny because I went online to book my hotel room, and I was just kind of I'll just stay where the conference is. I'm not gonna, try to find an Airbnb or whatever. I just want to be close to the venue. And I walk into this hotel, and it is absurd. This place is like Disney World. I kind of showed you right now, but people are popping on right now. So I want to show you guys this hotel. This is one section of the hotel. This part right here is probably 1/10 of the hotel. And I guess this is the biggest hotel in the world that's not combined with a casino. And it's crazy because I just booked a hotel room, and I was I didn't think that I was gonna walk into a Disney World. It feels like Animal Kingdom, kind of. Okay, so anyways, let me get to the question of the day. So somebody asked the question, where to start on social media? How do I start growing my online presence? And this can be applicable to people that maybe have tried to be growing for a while and you're probably not getting enough traction, or you're just starting out. You think you need to go right to Instagram because that's what's hot, that's what's trending right now. So there's no right or wrong answer to this question, where to start. But there are smarter ways to go about it when you're starting to push content out onto social media. So one thing that I feel a lot of people are failing to understand is that you can make social media really easy for you, or you can make it really hard. So I'm going to tell you what's really hard. What's really hard is posting and praying. What's really hard is when you create content, you spend hours upon hours thinking of copy, a photo, just to push it out there and maybe get 1 or 2 likes, right? And you're pushing it onto time-sensitive platforms like Instagram and Facebook. So what I mean by that is, what a lot of people do is they'll create content and they'll push it out onto these platforms where it only lives in the algorithm for 15 minutes, right? And another thing too is that they'll push it out onto these platforms and they post and they pray. They just pray that they get 1 like, 1 comment, 1 new follower. And then when they've wasted 5 to 6 hours creating the Oprah Winfrey script with the Kim Kardashian photo, and they push it out on the platforms, Instagram and Facebook, and then they don't get any response. And they're like, why is social media so hard for me? Why is it so hard for my business? The only thing I want to do is I want to put my content out onto these platforms, and I want people that need me to notice me, right? So the easiest way to get people to notice you on social media and where to start growing is by putting your content onto platforms that favor you to be seen, right? And I know a lot of you guys have probably heard the term SEO before. So SEO is search engine optimization. So essentially, I know that sounds scary. When I heard SEO, I was like, nope, no go, don't want to know about it. Already sounds like I need a PhD in something in order to understand SEO. But that's simply not true, okay? So the SEO for dummies, I'm just gonna explain it to you right now. This is the easiest way to understand SEO. So SEO, search engine optimization, is simply when you structure your post to say what people are searching. So for example, if I had a video that was how to do cartwheels, okay? I would not name my video, oh my God, I'm the best in the world at gymnastics, right? Because people are not searching for that. People are searching how to do a cartwheel, right? So you're going to name your video whatever people are searching for. So what am I going to name my video? Can anybody guess in the comments, right? If I'm making a video on how to do a cartwheel, what am I going to name my video? Let me know. Someone let me know in the comments. This is like SEO 101. Adolfo's like, if that isn't the best straightforward description ever, I don't know what is. Okay, I'm glad this is making sense. If you guys are watching now or watching the replay, say hey, talk to me in the comments. I love when you guys chat with me when I'm on live. So I'm gonna name the video how to do a cartwheel, okay? So if you push that content onto one of the 4 search engine social media websites, people that have been watching my live streams for a while know what I'm gonna say. Pinterest, YouTube, podcast, or blog, okay? If you push that content onto one of those 4 search engine social media websites, people are gonna be seeing your content 24/7, right? There's no more friction between you and your ideal client when it comes to time-sensitive social media websites like Facebook and Instagram. And the reason is because, think about it, when you go into YouTube and you search like Britney Spears' Baby One More Time, right? Like Britney Spears' first song that everyone loves. And if you don't love it, I don't know. That's one of my favorite songs. So anyways, when you go onto YouTube and you search that song came out like what? It was like 15 years ago, maybe 20 actually. You're still gonna see it, right? So if that video was posted onto Instagram, you would need to like scroll down Britney's like Instagram feed for like, I don't know, probably like days in order to get to that video, because that's a time-sensitive social media website. Same with Facebook. Now, I get that Instagram has hashtags, and unless you're already like having a popular account on Instagram, so let's just say you have a couple thousand followers and you know how to create viral content, then this is not applicable to you. You already have a following on Instagram. So yes, you're gonna get enough engagement where you're gonna see your content in the top rated hashtag search. So when you search a hashtag, you'll be in the top section, which is to your favor because that's gonna live longer than if somebody only had 100 followers and your content's gonna be seen not just by 4% of your following, but it's never gonna be seen in the search, especially if you don't know anything about Instagram hashtags. So where to start growing on social media if you have no place to start. Maybe you've been doing it for a while because someone told you to go to Instagram and do all these crazy things that you don't even really need to do. My tip is to focus by putting your content on places where it's searchable. The 4, Pinterest, YouTube, podcasting, blogging. Why? Because people are searching, people are up, it's world, like the internet is worldwide, okay? So even when I'm sleeping, people can be searching for the content that I'm pushing out there, right? So the reason why you need to focus your like energy, time, and content onto one of those 4 platforms, and if you're amazing, you'll pick all 4, is because you're no longer creating friction between the value and the content that you want to push out there with the people that need to see it. Which means those people, let's just say you're sleeping at 2 a.m., right? But it's somebody's noon. They're wide awake. They're eating lunch. They're having a great day, but you're passed out, right? You're not going to be able to do an Instagram post because you're sleeping, right? But if you push that content onto a search engine, your content is always going to be there. So if someone wants to learn how to do a cartwheel and you're sleeping at 2 a.m., you don't need to like set an alarm and be like, oh, I see my ideal clients up. Like, let me do an Instagram post so they see like my content, right? They're going to be searching for that on YouTube. They're going to be listening to it on a podcast. They're going to be searching for an infographic on Pinterest, or they're going to be reading a blog article with your video on it on how to do a cartwheel, right? So that's when social media becomes easy for us, is when we push our energy and our content onto search engines, which, like I said, Pinterest, YouTube, podcasting, and blogging. If this is making sense, you guys let me know in the comments. And if you guys have any questions on like search engine, social media websites, or SEO, let me know in the comments. So the question of the day, I'm going to wrap it up now. The question was, Adolpho's doing the cartwheel, yeah. I would do one now too, but I feel like I would hurt myself, so I'm not gonna do that. So the question of the day today was where to start growing. Like maybe you're new, maybe you've been doing this for a while, you're not getting any engagement, you're not getting any traction on your posts. The best place to start growing is by giving value and putting it onto search engines. Because if you want to learn how to do something, where do you go? You're more than likely going to go to Google, right? You know? So it's like, how do I do a cartwheel? How do I do XYZ? What is ... Whenever you ask a question, you go to Google, right? And guess what pops up when people put their questions onto Google? They're either Pinterest pins in the Google images. They're either YouTube videos because Google owns YouTube. It's going to be a blog because it's on a website. And podcasting, it's not really going to come up on Google, but it'll be linked in your blog. But if you search on the podcast app, that's when podcasting becomes searchable. So if you guys have any questions about this, if you guys have any questions about anything social media related, let me know in the comments because I love answering your guys' questions. And this was an amazing question for today because I know a lot of you guys are struggling with growing, engagement, what to do, where to start, XYZ 1, 2, 3. So my best advice is focus your time and attention on places where it's not time sensitive, because that's when people can search 24/7 with your content. Adolpho says, I'm about to build a Chipotle with all these knowledge breaks. I love that. Okay, guys, I'm signing off. So like I said, I'm here for a conference. Wanted to hop on today. The next couple days, I don't know when I'm going to be on, but hopefully I can give you guys some like funnel hacking live takeaways, whatever. I'm in Nashville, so I'm going to go explore the city a little bit. And yeah. Emily says, love your rants. I'm so happy that you love them. I hope they make sense. And if you ever have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I love helping you guys out. So yeah, that's all I have to say for today. Gonna go explore Nashville. If any of you guys have been in Nashville, love Nashville, live in Nashville, let me know in the comments if you have any recs. So I hear Hattie B's hot chicken, which is like, I don't know. I guess it's like fried chicken, I don't know, is like the thing to get. So I'm gonna be getting that for lunch and I'm probably gonna gain 10 pounds while I'm here, but whatever. All right, I hope you guys have an amazing Tuesday and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.